Hey guys, welcome! Today we'll be opening the PokemonCenter Elite Trainer box, the Shadow Rider. It's actually my first Shadow Rider that I'm opening. It's the PokemonCenter one. Well, let's get to it, boys. Let's see what we'll get here. Player's Guide. Trading card game rules. Coins. I like these metal dice. It's pretty heavy. Feels like quality stuff. And the other standard stuffs. This one only comes with 8 packs. Well, let's get to it, boys. Let's see what we can get. This Moltres one looks awesome. Maybe it's a Moltres inside. Metal Energy, Dyna Tree Hill, Spyro Energy, Pony, Galarian Yamask, Coughing, Shuppet, Squovit, Spheo, and a Flannery, Hollow, Single Strike. Discard a special energy from one of your opponent's Pokemon. And discard a stadium in play. And what we got here, boys. Zebstrika. Non-holographic. Not too great so far. Water Energy, Ledian, Ponia, Honey, Ralts, Castform, Rainy Form, Snover, Galarian Yamask again, and a Coughing, Scorn Bunny, holographic, and a Volcanion. Ooh. Volcanion V. Shiny. On to the dirt pack. I'm not sure what energy is this. A Flannery that's not holographic. Old Cemetery. Steenie. Clawbois. Mareep. Ralts. Castform. Snover. Ooh, a Gengar. Ooh, I love Gengar back in the old days. Ooh, shiny Gengar. Last gift ability. Pain Burst. Ooh. And a Tasarina. Non-holographic. Wow, we're 3 packs down so far. Nothing really great. Leaf Energy, Rugged Helmet, Crab Monabo, Doctor, Quillfish, Galarian Slowpoke, Weedo, Clawbobus, Mareep, Melanie Shiny, and another Zeb Striker. Wow, another one. We're up to the 5th pack already. Zapdos. Lightning Energy, Zebode, Corellia, Akitha, Cubefu, Blitzo, Quillfish, Galarian Slowpoke, Weedo, Holographic Snorunt, and a Gardevoir. Holographic. Only 3 packs remaining. Haven't gotten anything good so far. Okay. Leaf Energy, Porygon 2, Raboot, Scroll of the Skies, Coughing, Delibird, Galarian Farfetch, Porygon, Heracross, Shiny Holographic Transform, and a Tornadus V. Ooh. This one is pretty. Blow Through and Blasting Hammer. Not bad, not bad. 2 packs remaining. Zapdos. Lightning Energy, Corellia, Justified Gloves, Weeding Gloves, Ghastly, Ladybug, Porygon, Swirlix, Sneasel, and another Sneasel. Wow, right next to each other. One holographic and one non. What kind of chances is this? And, ooh, Sandaconda V Max. Wow, this one is pretty, very pretty. Sandaconda V Max. Wow. Wow, this one looks nice. Last pack of the box. Hope we get something good, boys. Meadow Energy. Ladian. Old Cemetery. Impact Energy. Galarian Slowpoke. Coughing. Galarian Yamask. Snorunt. Bound Sweet. Oh, what we gonna get, boys? What we gonna get? Malamar. Holographic. Oh, final card. What is it gonna be, boys? And a Volcarona. Well, that wasn't that good. Liking the Sandaconda though. Ooh, and a Tornadus. Ooh. Tornadus V and Volcanion V. Well, I guess that's it, boys. Thanks for joining again this time. See you guys next time. Hope we get something better.